Hello. In this video, we will fix the mouse cursor going off screen in Roblox. If you're using the launcher version of Roblox, click on the search bar. Type Roblox. Now it'll take you here. Look for Roblox. Click on Uninstall. Once all of this is done, go back to the Roblox website and click on any random game and press play. This pop-up should show up. Click on Install and install Roblox. If this still persists, try and restart your computer. And if you have two monitors, just plug one in and see if the mouse is still there. The last thing you can do is, if you're using the Roblox launcher, try and use the web version of Roblox. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully you fixed the mouse error. Now go back into your Roblox adventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.